Hi, I'm Tom Sawblade Seagraves, and thank you for joining me on another exciting video in our hands-on series. In today's video, we'll be installing a new blade in our Q700 machine. Let's get started. Now, before you begin any work on your machine, you always want to make sure that it's unplugged. Now that we know it's unplugged, all you have to do is loosen the cover here. And then engaging the blade lock, you will spin the blade until it clicks into position. Take the Allen key that was included and then loosen the main bolt. You're going to remove the main bolt as well as the outer washer and inner washer. Lift the blade guard up and then shimmy the old blade off. Now let's install our new blade. You can get your blades fast and easy with convenient same-day shipping at Sawblade.com. Same as before, lift that blade guard up. Shimmy the blade. Install your outer washer and your inner washer with the bolt. Engage that blade lock, spinning the blade into position. Tighten the main bolt. Release the blade lock. Give your blade a couple spins to make sure that it moves freely. Perfect. And now place that cover back on and tighten. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your blade in your new Q700. For more technical and informational videos, check me out on Sawblade.tv. And while you're online, go to Sawblade.com and get access to everything that you need to run at peak performance. I'm Tom Sawblade Seagraves, and remember, Sawblade.com, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.